Hello everyone! Today we will dance with you mejance combination and we will dance with veil. So let's start. We do 2 steps in front of you. We will do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is chassé 2 times, but double times and double times, okay? 1 and 2. And after this, we continue with 2 turns, but we start with right leg. 1 and 2, with beautiful arms, okay? Arms in second position. One more time, together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And now we continue with arabesque in right side. 1 and 2, with left arm. Like half of 8, 1 and 2. And after this, we do left side, turn, 1, and second one, and we change our veil. 1, like this, you see? Now, veil in front of me. And in this position, we continue with chassé. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You see? And now we continue with 2 turns, veil in front of you. 1, 2. And now continue with mills. 1, 2, 2 times. And now pay attention, you do accent with veil. 1. You see my body position? My arms goes up and my right leg here, and I do back bend. Not big, but just small one. 1. And without veil. And now we continue with hip drop. 1 and 2. Just 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now shimmy, shimmy. We do like 8 with twist and with shimmy. 1, 2. Okay? And now we do everything in left side, left diagonal. 1, 2, and now my right leg is free, and I continue with this leg in the right side with omi, 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 omi. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. But this omi must be very delicate and elegant. And when you do this movement, pay attention at your leg. Okay? Your leg together, not like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and higher accent and left side. And 1, 2, 3. Here you can do just accent with belly, with chest, or flutter, like you prefer. Okay? I will do just with belly accent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And fast turn. And after this turn, we continue with 8 twist. 8 and twist. Okay? So we do 1, 2. One more time with our omi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. And now I do this beautiful movement with my hips and my leg. 1, 2. And continue left side. 1, 2. And now I do chassé, but 2 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is chassé. If you want, you can do just 1 time. It depends on your speed. So you can do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now I do soft and slowly. So 1, 2, 3. And my left leg continue with 1, 2, 3 in left side. Okay? So we finish here and start with left. 1, 2, 3. And now continue with right, half of turn, and 1, 2, 3. This is a small movement with steps. So right, left, right, And now I do arabesque, 1 step and 2. So half circle and finish. So half and half. We will do full circle, full turn, but with 2 parts. Okay? One more time. From hip, 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 left, right, turn, 1, 2, 3 steps, arabesque, and finish this combination. And now we continue with higher 8, okay? 1 and 2. And after this, we do belly wave, okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You can do line and diagonal. So left, right line and left diagonal. 1, 2. And now time for shimmy. We will do shimmy with our hips like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? Shimmy, shimmy with hips shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4. After omi, omi, omi. And if you want, you can add belly. 1, 2, 3. Belly or chest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I do camel. 1, 2, 3. Double camel. 1, 2, 3. And shimmy. Very elegant. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest, chest. Okay? So, one more time, this is a combination with body wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And shimmy. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now I stay on both my legs and start, next combination, I start with arabesque, right side. Like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You see my leg? My legs. 1 step, step. 1 step, step. And now I start with my right leg and I do half of turn and accent with leg and jump and beautiful pose. Here you can finish in your beautiful pose, not like me. Maybe you can do just a turn or something more. So, but now let's repeat this small combination from arabesque. Arabesque, step, step. Arabesque, step, step. And now right, half of turn, beautiful pose, and jump, and turn, and 1.